Hi, welcome to Zegal. Today I'm going to teach you how to share and collaborate with other people on our Zegal documents. Once you're done building and editing your document, click the Share button on the top right corner. Here you can invite other people to collaborate. If they are already a Zegal user, simply search their name or email address to find them. If not, you can add them as a new contact. Click Add a new contact, then fill in their name and email address and click Save. It's that simple. Here you have the option of selecting and unselecting who you want to invite to collaborate. Most importantly, you can manage each collaborator's permissions. You can grant them permissions to edit the document, to only view the document, or allow them to comment as well. Add a personal message to your invitation and start collaborating. Please make sure to check out our other videos that teach you how to use other features on Zegal. Thank you so much for watching and using Zegal.